Osprey Funds appeals court decision favoring Grayscale in $2 million Bitcoin fund case. Bitcoin, Grayscale, regulation. The firm also claimed that the judge wrongly broadened the scope of an exemption under the Connecticut Unfair Trade Practices Act, CUTPA. Last updated, February 11, 2025. Author, Ruholamin Haqshanas. Ruholamin Haqshanas. Author categories. About author. Ruholamin Haqshanas is a contributing crypto writer for Cryptonews. He is a crypto and finance journalist with over 4 years of experience. Ruholamin has been featured in several high-profile crypto. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. February 11, 2025 at 09:45 GMT+2. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Osprey Funds has challenged a recent Connecticut court ruling that favored Grayscale investments in their ongoing $2 million unfair trade dispute over the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. On February 10, Osprey submitted the motion to Connecticut Superior Court, arguing that Judge Mark Gould's February 7 ruling was premature as it was issued before the close of discovery. The firm also claimed that the judge wrongly broadened the scope of an exemption under the Connecticut Unfair Trade Practices Act, CUTPA. Osprey's allegations against Grayscale. Osprey originally filed the lawsuit in January 2023, accusing Grayscale and Delaware Trust Company, the trustee of GBTC, of engaging in false advertising. The firm alleged that Grayscale misled investors by promoting its plan to convert GBTC into an exchange-traded fund, ETF, as a certainty, despite knowing regulatory approval was unlikely at the time. Judge Gould ruled in favor of Grayscale on February 7, 2024, stating that Osprey's claims involve the buying and selling of securities, which is exempt from CUTPA. His decision also noted that, at the time of the lawsuit, Osprey and Grayscale were the only two firms offering trust-based Bitcoin investment products with ticker-based exposure. However, a year later, in January 2024, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, approved Grayscale's ETF conversion after the firm won a lawsuit against the regulator. In July 2024, Osprey sought to settle its claims against Grayscale for just under $2 million, an offer that Grayscale rejected. In its February 10 motion, Osprey argued that the court misinterpreted the differences between how the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and Connecticut courts handled deceptive advertising in securities-related cases. Osprey emphasized that the CUTPA exemption for securities transactions has never been applied to cases of deceptive advertising between competitors, merely because they operate in the same industry. The firm argued that Grayscale's misleading marketing practices harmed its business by diverting market share away from Osprey. Osprey and Grayscale weren't involved in a securities transaction with each other, the filing stated. Instead, Osprey argued that its case was about deceptive advertising and unfair competition, not a securities dispute. Osprey moves forward with own Bitcoin ETF. Despite its legal battle, Osprey is moving forward with its own Bitcoin ETF ambitions. Last month, the firm notified the SEC of its intent to convert its Osprey Bitcoin Trust, OBTC, into a spot Bitcoin ETF. The development came after Osprey's planned acquisition by Bitwise fell through. On January 21, Osprey Funds and REX Shares filed regulatory plans to offer ETFs for meme coins, including Doge, Trump, and Bonk. Just recently, Tuttle Capital Management filed applications for 10 cryptocurrency-based leveraged ETFs, including funds tied to popular meme coins. Analysts suggest the filings are part of a broader strategy to test the boundaries of an SEC under Trump-era crypto-friendly regulators. Follow us on Google News. Trending News. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Crypto prices dip as Trump's metal trade tariffs weigh on markets. Japan's SBI posts record crypto profits. Aims for nation's first USDC listing. SEC likely to acknowledge XRP and Dogecoin ETF applications this week. Analyst. Ethereum news. Ethereum short positions hit record high as hedge funds bet against ETH. 1 day ago, by Ruholamin Haqshanas. Bitcoin news. UK landfill tied to lost 8,000 Bitcoin hard drive set to close. Report. 1 day ago, by Ruholamin Haqshanas. Altcoin news. Another celeb coin goes live. Bad Baby launches $BHAD to fund cancer research. 18 hours ago, by Seed Fatal Pasic. Price analysis. Price breakthrough forecast. The next XRP rally could be here soon. 1 day ago, by Arslan Butt. Blockchain news. Burnt Banksy-backed EarnOS brings Uber to XION mainnet. July 18, 2024, by Tanzil Akhtar.